tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you've already subscribed my YouTube channel. If you haven't, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I keep releasing. So friends, as you're aware, we have two channels, Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi and Tarot Reader Shefali in English, especially for the global audience who are more acquainted and comfortable with English language. Friends, I also have a new channel, new brand under the name Astro Vruksh by Shefali. It is going to be a parent brand and Tarot Reader Shefali will be a sub part of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Astro Vruksh by Shefali, I offer integrated destiny management solutions where I cover tarot reading, astro tarot, astrology, Vedic, KP astrology, Vastu, Astro Vastu, palmistry, numerology, healing therapies, crystal therapy, as well as spiritual guidance, everything in my own capacity. Wherever I feel there is a need and connect as per your problem or a solution is possible through this or other stream, I try to offer it to optimize the result for you. So that is what this new brand is going to get for you. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube channel, Instagram page, Facebook page and Facebook group of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Do join me on Facebook group of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. In coming month, we will be doing a lot of activities over there. Right now, it's a small group, so the activities are quite limited, but we'll be doing more and more activities as we go ahead in the journey. So without wasting too much of time, let me tell you that I'm going to do monthly predictions for your sun sign on special request from many of my followers and subscribers. They are more inclined towards sun sign based prediction, and then comes pick a card reading for them. So we are going to again start with sun sign based predictions. Let's see what's in cards for your sun sign for the month of March 2020. Let's see what's in cards for Capricorns for the month of March 2020. Hi friends, let's see what's in cards for you for March 2021 for Capricorns, people who are born as Capricorns. They can follow this reading, Capricorn sun sign. So we will start with your energy oracle card. We have walking away energy in the reverse position in your card, so which is suggesting that you were planning to walk away from something, either a fulfilled relationship which you were planning to walk away from, or a fulfilled career, but you wanted to explore something more. You were in a comfort zone and you wanted to explore novelty and something more. That's why you wanted to walk away, but currently that walking away is not possible. There is a blockage here. I can see this reflection in your job card, actually job career growth card. So somewhere maybe you were planning for a move from your career, but you're not getting rightful opportunities. So hold on, it's just a matter of time. Things will shape up and you will be able to move out or move at the upper ladder as the time is right. So what do you mean when the time is right? It means that when your planetary position is in the right frame or right structure, you will be in a better position to take the rightful decisions. Coming to your relationship, I can see that you were planning for some changes in your relationship, or some decisions were to be made, important decisions were to be made in the relationship, because you were confused, you were not able to take decisions, you were feeling really lost. What is happening? Where am I heading in this relationship? So here now I can see you getting little more clarity on how you have to tackle the relationships. It's a time for celebration with your family. I can see Chakra advice card is suggesting you to focus on the family, make your grounding strong on the family side, because they are going to act as a support system for you. Don't let your family loosen up. Just spend time, rightful time on the rightful people in your family who will really be your grounding and support system for the future. So take care of your family. It is going to be a trump card for your success, for your strength and for your grounding in the future coming ahead. So you might be taking certain important decisions and getting some clarity on how to approach some issues which you have been facing in relationship. It could be any kind of relationship. So I always say this is a general reading. You have to align with your question and go for the general reading. Be very specific when you're asking questions so you get little more specific answers to it. Don't go general, because I give multiple possibilities, because there are multiple people listening to this reading, like maybe thousands and lakhs and crores, and they are going through different energy cycles. So I give the messages that aligns and that comes to me. So try to align with your problem and accordingly read the message. Okay, coming to your career, I can see Page of Wands reverse, which is suggesting you're planning a move in your career, either from a job front or from a business front, or you were expecting some hike, some growth in your career, but it is blocked right now. So it is a time factor. Don't worry, don't be anxious, don't be fearful, don't be disheartened if things are not moving as you wanted them to, because it's just a phase. It's just a phase. It will move out as the time is right. What does you, as I said, time is right in the sense planetary movements are in your favor. You will, you will be able to sail through this tough time. So use your maturity to handle this situation. Don't get disheartened or depressed. Things will fall in place. Coming to your finances, we have Fool card in the upright position. Very good financial opportunities are expected to come your way. Very prospective opportunities, out of the box opportunities. You have to be careful to explore them. Do explore them, because of course with risk you will get bigger and higher gains, but at the same time take calculated risk. Take the advice from people before taking any decision, because this is a very big investment you are talking about, okay, or a very big investment in terms of money or in terms of time or commitment. So just be careful. Intensity, have that vibration, that positivity, that focus while you're planning this investment, because it is going to really mint you good money and good wealth in the coming time. Coming to your health, I can see Two of Wands upright, which is a good healthy situation where you are actually balancing maybe two opportunities or two health mediums to take care of your health. One could be spiritual, one could be physical, or otherwise where you are actually taking care of your health and pampering yourself. So very good thing, good health situation. Getting the energy from inner source will help you optimize the health and take care of health in a better fashion. As angels are suggesting, release any toxic experience, relationship, situation that is coming your way. Let it go to feel free and attract positivity and manifest positivity in your life. Be grounded, be attached to your family, be connected to your family. That is going to give you support and strength in the coming time. Take care, guys. So friends, I really hope that this video, this reading will help you to plan your coming month in the best possible fashion. Don't forget, this is a general reading, so take it as a guiding light and not the verdict. Use it to plan your month wisely. Wherever you feel that there is a need of personal guidance, you can connect with me on my mobile number or on my email ID. You can put me a message on WhatsApp number, on Instagram page, on Facebook page. Wherever you feel the need and wherever you feel the need to connect and get the help, you can connect with me over there. You can share my videos with your friends and family on WhatsApp groups, on Facebook group and multiple other groups, so that more and more people can get help out of these free readings and free guidance. Don't forget to comment on my videos. I am more than eager to know your feedback on the videos. Your feedback only has helped me to start the sun sign race predictions again. So don't forget to share your feedback. Don't forget to share the topics for your pick a card reading. I'll try to accommodate it across the coming months. And I really want to thank all the people who are already part of my journey and would like to welcome new people on board. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and as well as on YouTube channel, especially for these new subscribers. Take care, guys. Keep in touch. I hope to help you in my capacity. Take care.